in pairs. So you two, you two, you two, and you two. Okay? Think of 10 things you have to bring to England. Okay? 10 very important things you need here in England. Okay? For example. Mm-hmm. Okay. What else? Mm-hmm. Okay. So together, 10 things. Okay? You have to bring to England.
Cash, money,
What things did you bring? Okay. Passport, Monica?
travel guide.
Okay. Ayako, what did you bring?
What?
Okay. Hussein, what did you bring?
Camera.
Fari, what did you bring?
Money and credit card.
Okay. Angela, what did you bring? I have all the things I brought to London. Okay? I have them here. So again, in your pair, match things. I cut myself. Okay, check your list.
Belt.
Ayako, can you explain us what's a money belt? You did that very nicely. What's a money belt?
Money belt is good for protection from thief, and it's where under the clothes
Okay.
around your stomach.
Yeah. Around your?
Waist.
Yeah. Okay. And it wears? It wears under your clothes? Passive? It is? Say again? What is that? First aid kit.
It's a bag with stuff for first aid.
Okay. When I cut myself, do I need a first aid kit? Yeah? Okay. No? If I cut myself very badly, it's dripping blood, do you need a first aid kit, Monica?
Yeah.
Okay, when I go to the cinema, do I need a first aid kit? No, it depends. Do I need a first aid kit when I hurt myself? Yeah? Okay. Here are all the items I brought, okay, to London. All the different things. What is number 1 here? Number 1.
Jumper.
It's a bit hard to say. Number 1.
It's wearing clothes. Number 1 is what
On this list, match. Okay? the items here, or the items you have in front of you.
Ah, yes.
Easy.
Okay. Until everyone is finished. Until most of the people are finished. Try to make little sentences. Okay. Like what water? What's a sentence for water?
I used to drink water every day.
Number 1 was the
Rainfall.
Yep. Number 2, Fadi.
Is repellent.
Insect repellent. Everyone. Manik? Insect repellent.
Insect repellent.
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 I have 2 nice holiday destinations for you. Okay? Have a look. Which one would you prefer? Oops.
What is this? Desert. Sea and the other one.
What is that?
Hawaii.
Yeah.
Dream.
Okay. And where's that?
Snow.
Fadi?
Snow.
Yeah.
That goes.
Okay. So we have Alps, Hawaii, Alps, Hawaii. Oh, meet in your group.
I walk. You walk.
In your Alps group, okay? Which of these items are you going to take on a trip to the mountains? Okay? For you, which of these items are you going to take to a 2 weeks beach holiday? Okay? Right. 2 minutes with your partner in your group.
Only these items?
No.
You have people you can still on the beach. Near the beach.
Very nice.
Beach holiday. What are you going to take from these items?
Slip bag. Solid crab.
Trip to the mountains. What are you going to take, Angela?
Oh, Angela.
Water bottle.
Mm-hmm.
First aid kit.
I have another holiday destination. Where is that?
Sydney.
Sydney.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
One.
Yeah, that's Sydney, Australia. That's a harbour bridge. You see here in the background? It's very small. What is it?
Opera
Opera?
house. Opera house.
Yeah, very, very famous. Very famous. Okay. Is this Sydney as well?
No, it's America.
It's America.
Australia.
Australia.
It's Australia. Yeah? And how is it called? Very famous rock. Grand Canyon. Okay. Ayers.
Ayers Rock.
Yeah. So the next holiday we'll do together. Okay. It's a holiday in the middle of Australia. Okay. What do you think? What are important questions you have to ask yourself before you go on such a big trip for a holiday in the middle of Australia? Okay. What do you have to think of before you leave? Okay. Really quick, in your groups, 3 of you, 2 of you, 2 of you, and 2 of you. Okay. Yeah.
In Australia.
Can you always go to Australia? Or is there a special time in the year?
Maybe there's a special time.
First, you should give
For example, from April to October.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Best
really?
time? Yeah.
Oh!
Very good.
Weather.
A question you might want to ask the travelers about the weather.
How's that weather? What is the weather?
Yeah.
No, you can't.
You can eat some kind of transport.
Julia, what are questions you can ask a travel agent?
For example, what is the best time to go to Australia? Can you go surfing?
Yeah. Very good question.
And what is the weather like in Australia?
Okay. Angela.
Are there any dangerous areas?
Okay.
Are there any dangerous areas?
Area.
Oh, areas.
Areas.
Say it again. Are there?
Are there any dangerous areas?
Okay. Monica, what else could you ask a travel agent?
Which sightseeing can I see? Can I visit?
Say again?
Which sightseeing
Wonders.
can I see? Can I visit?
Mhm.
Which place can I
Yeah. Which place or which?
Places.
Yes, plural. Okay. Okay. I have information about Australia here, about the outback. Okay, information number 1 and information number 2. But for each information, there's no title. Okay? So, have a look at those questions. Okay? And in your group, find the right title. Okay? What do you have? For the first one, A goes together with question.
What's the best way to travel?
Yeah. B goes together with.
What earth and calendar is there?
Hmm?
What's the best time to go?
And what's the best time? Yeah. When to go?
Okay. And last one, C.
What's like
Okay. Good. Marek, for your D.
The for what outdoor activities are there. E, what art and culture is there.
And the last one.
And 5, what health risks are there.
Good. Okay. Very good. Now, meet someone from the other city. Okay, find a partner from the other city. You have all the information either about those questions, okay, or about those questions. Okay. In 4 minutes, find out about the other questions, okay? Ask your partner. And the other person, tell your partner about information. Okay?
about the information that you agents.
So, for example, Hussein asks, for example, what health risks are there? Okay? And Marek tells Hussein about the health risks in Australia.
That's the most dangerous things.
Okay, 4 minutes, go.
Yeah. You will find maybe
What outdoor activities don't feel? What wildlife can you see here? If you want to see crocodiles, you must go to season when it's dry. But when you want to see kangaroos
really?
and elephants,
You must wear a hat. And you should use a high factor.
Okay, what's the best time to travel in Australia? best time to travel in Australia?
April to June or from October to November.
Okay. What happens in December and January, Angela?